by setting up providers. We go to providers and then the subheading providers. We add a provider, who naturally in this case is Sierra Communications. Confirm the data, and the provider is there. Now we need to add trunks to that provider. Now Sierra Communications provides premium wholesale, standard wholesale, economy wholesale and North American routes wholesale. So we add a trunk. The provider, Sierra Communications. Label on this one is premium. The prefix, there is no prefix for the premium routing. It's the default route, and if you don't send a prefix it will automatically select the premium rate card. Now remove prefix is to remove anything that you don't want there. In this case it would be the international prefix. UK uses 00, so I'll put 00 there. Provider tech, it's a SIP trunk, so we put in SIP. Provider IP, well, you put in the IP of our gateway, which I'm not going to give you now, just in case any potential hackers want to have an easy shot at it. And we put in an IP of the gateway. Additional parameters we don't need. Incidentally, the provider IP, if you'd created the trunk in FreePBX, you would actually put in the name of the trunk there rather than the IP address. But we're not using FreePBX on this occasion, so we're going straight to the IP of the provider's switch. Failover trunk, we haven't got one, but this is the first trunk, and in future you can add it if you want, but you have to be careful because your routing and your rating table will still charge at the particular rate on the first trunk. So if you'd got a UK call charged at say 1 cent a minute, your failover trunk, the charge was 2 cents a minute. Although you'd be paying 2 cents a minute, your customer would only be charged 1 cent a minute, so just be careful with that one. Current connections, that shows the actual channels in use. Obviously none in use at the moment, so it's showing 0. -1 means unlimited channels, so we leave it at -1. You can set it to whatever you want or whatever your provider is providing you at the time. Use failover trunk, again we're not using one, so we'll leave that blank, or will you leave it at as it is. Status is active, and then we confirm the data, and there you can see the new trunk has been inserted. If we go back to trunks, you'll see it. It's a premium, it's called premium, no added prefix, removing 00, international access from UK. Tech is SIP, host IP, provider, minutes used, obviously that will increase as you do use them. It's an active trunk with unlimited use. You can edit it here, delete it here. Now we'll just add one more trunk with a prefix. So again we'll go to Sierra Communications, and this time it's a standard trunk. The prefix for standard is 989. Remove prefix, again we'll put in the 00. Provider tech SIP. Provider IP, we'll use whatever we used last time. No, it would be obviously the real IP of the provider. Additional parameters we leave. We're not putting a failover. If we wanted to put a failover in at this point we could, because now we have one, premium, but we'll not. These settings you leave the same. Failover trunk, again, you can say next trunk. We're not. It's active. We confirm the data. New trunk's been inserted. We go back to the trunk listings, and now you can see the standard trunk is adding a prefix of 989. Hope that's clear to you. And the next thing we're going to do is create a rate card in the next tutorial. Bye for now.